Scientist too? Today, we'll teach our purple slime to change colors and alert us when things get hot. We'll be using thermochromic powder, which changes color with heat. When temperatures rise, our slime turns pink as its molecules get excited. The slime then fades back to purple when cooled. But here's the crazy part. It predicts these shifts before our human senses can detect them. The color tweaks happen near the warm cup before we feel the heat. It's like a slime thermometer. The science here taps into atoms bonding colors to temperatures. Hotter vibrating atoms reflect different light, like a secret chemical code hidden in the particles. Engineers use this to make nifty heat alerts like color-changing fever strips, battery acid detectors, and unsafe food warnings. Our morphing slime is showing off some real-world smarts. Let's peek at the particles level and watch the thermochromic powder in action. We can learn the shade recipes for different temperatures and develop a slime thermometer with precision color codes operating like smelling salts for specific heats. This opens up inventions like reusable frozen food alarms on lunchboxes, dishwasher cycle dots on plates, tactile climate maps, and more. Our slime will lead the way in detecting temperatures before humans can register the shifts.